at my hundreds chart. What do I do when I add 10 to a number? So we're going to practice again. So I have one up here, 68. What do I do? If I find 68 on my hundreds chart, what do I do, Jaden?
If you go to 68, then you go down to a number.
I go down?
67.
Not 67.
67.
The 7 goes first, honey. 70. 78. You're right. You just move your finger down. Because when we counted 10 more yesterday, it ended up that our finger was always one down. 78. So 68 and 10 more would make 78. My loves, what we're going to do today, we only have this one page. Then I'll let you know if we're going outside or in the gym. My loves, very quietly, pencil boxes go. Very quietly, pencil boxes go. Park your pencil on top. Jaden. My loves, I'm going to bring these to you. You write your name at the top and then stop. This is the only thing we're doing. We're not getting another worksheet at all. This is it. Write your name at the top and then stop. Thanks for parking your pencil on top. Good, Tamia. Here, sweetheart. Name at the top. Here, sweetie. We counted yesterday by tens. We started at 6 and counted all the way down to 96. We're going to do the same thing today. After you write your name at the top, your pencil is parked. Boys and girls at home. Hi, Mitchell. Hi, Karina. We're adding 10 to a number today, so I need you to take out this page that says 90-1 at the top. This is the only thing we're doing for math today. My sweet, this is a wrap. So it's a lot like our doubles wrap, which rhymed. So this is our counting by tens wrap, so it's going to rhyme. See if you can tell me what number we're going to start with. Listen, it says, I can count by tens. It's fun. It's fun. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 1. You got it, my love. 5K, take your pencil. In this top box, you're going to write 1. You're going to write 1. Push your water away, honey. You just drank milk at lunch. My loves, let me move this so it's not right behind where I'm standing. My sweets, if I'm at 1 and I add 10, what number am I at next? You're looking up here. 1, and I move my finger where, Tamia? Nope, not to 2. That would be counting by ones. I'm counting by 10. Jaden just said we move our finger where? Down. So 1 and 10 more makes what? 11. My love, 11. If I'm at 1 and I get 10 more, and then I'm at 11. My finger just moves down. We could count 10 more, but that takes 2. Jaden's telling you the trick. You just move your finger down. 1, 11. What's going to come next? 1, 11. Prince. What's going to come next? 21. My sweets, you're going to write 21. Count it with me, my loves. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 11, 21, 31. My right, 31. What you notice is the same about all of those numbers. Jordan. Look. 1, 11, 21, 31. What do they all have? They all end with the number 1. Look, all the way down, they're all going to end with the number 1. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 11, 21, 31. My loves, you're going to write 41 next. Good job. Awesome. What would come next? 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. You guys got it. This will not take us long at all. 51. Nice job. What would come next? 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Good girl, Zaya. A 6 and a 1 makes 61. Nice job, Nazir. Awesome. What would come after 61? Just wait. Good job. What comes after 61, Prince? 71. You got it. 71. A 7 and a 1. After 61 comes 71, sweetheart. What would come after 71? You guys are doing great. 51, 61, 71, Prince. 81. Right, my loves, count with me from the beginning. Right here. Ready, set, go. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. You got it, my loves. Right, your 91s. All right. What number are we going to start with next? Listen, see if you can rhyme with me. When you know, raise your hand. I can count by tens. Can you? Can you? I can count by tens, and I'll start with 2. My loves, you're going to write 2. 2 and you rhyme. Good job. Huh. If I'm at 2, what's 10 more? Remember, where do I move my finger? Jordan, I'm going to go down to 12. Good girl. 5K, you're going to write a 12. And you got it, my love. They're all going to end with 2. Good girl. You got it. 2, 12. What would come next, Adelia? 22. My loves, you're going to write 22. A 2 and a 2. Good work. I see kids who want to play because you guys are doing great. You guys already know the pattern. I love it. Count with me, my sweets. Ready? Count up here. Set. Go. 2, 12, 22, 32. So now you're going to write a 3 and a 2. My loves, at home, I would show it to you, but you can't see both of these big papers at one time. But if you have your hundreds chart at home, my loves, you can just follow down the 2 column with me. What would come after 32? 22, 32, Jaden?
42.
42. A 4 and a 2. Honey, you're rocking it. Keep it up, babe. All right, my sweets, count with me. Ryan, you're doing great. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42.
52.
All right, I need to write 52. What would come after 52? 42, 52, Tamia? Not 56. 32, 42, 52. It has to end with a 2, my love. 52, 62. Good girl. A 6 and a 2 makes 62. They're all ending with a 2. You ready to help me? What comes after 62, Zaya? 42, 52, 62, 72. Good girl. That's nice of you, 5K, to tell her she did a good job. Jair, what would come after 72? 62, 72, 82. Good job. An 8 and a 2 makes 82. 72, 82. What would come next, Mason? Mason, what, honey? 92. You got it. All right, you guys are rocking this rhyming thing. What are we going to start with next? I can count by tens. O-G, O-G. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 3. Yeah. One, guys, look. Psst. 1, 2, 3. Got to write 3, sweetheart. What would be 10 more than 3? If I touch 3 and I move my finger down 1, where am I at? 13. My loves, your 1 goes first and then a 3. Mr. Porter, do you want a chair, dear? What would come next? 3. 18. What would come next? If I move my finger down, 1 to me. A 2 and a 3 makes 23. You guys are rocking it. What's the same about all of these ones? They all end with what, Jaden? 3. 3's at the back, all the way down. You got it. 3, 13, 23. What would come next? 3, 13, 23. Jordan? 33. You got it, my loves, right? 33. You guys are rocking it. Following along, paying attention. You're doing great. 23, 33. Not 53. There's one before that. 23, 33, 43. Good girl. 4 and 3 makes 43. London, what would come after 43? 23, 33, 43, 53. You got it. Prince, what would come after 53? 43, 53. What, honey? I can't hear you. 63. You got it, babe. 6 and a 3. What would come after 63? 43, 53, 63. Kylan, what would come next after 63? 73. Good job, my love. 73. What would come after 73? DeAndre, help me out. 53, 63, 73, 83. Good job. You guys are all rocking this. Wow. No, I'm not trying to trick you, but I can't. Even if I tried, I couldn't. What comes after 83? 73, 83. Prince? 93. You got it. All right. Say 3 done. Say 7 left. We can do it. Why do you think it's 4? Because why? We're just counting like the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it rhymes. I can count by tens with numbers galore. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 4. You were right. My love's right at 4. What comes next if I'm at 4 and I move my finger down? Caleb, what number am I at? 14. You got it. My love's right. 14. Good job, Caleb. 4, 14. What would come next, Jordan? 4, 14, 24. Good girl. What would come, excuse me, I got a hiccup. What would come next? 4, 14, 24. What would come next, Adelia? 24, 34, a 3 and a 4. What would come after 20? I'm sorry, what would come after 34? 24, 34. Boys and girls at home, sorry, I lost you for a second. Kylan said after 44 comes 54. 34, 44, 54, London. Not 74, you skipped one. Close. 44, 54, 64. You got it, babe. A 6 and a 4 makes 64. You're doing great, Zaya. What comes after 64, Mason? 54, 64, 74. You got it, babe. You're already done? Good job, my love. 64, 74, Ryan. Not yet. After 74 comes 84. Yep. All right. DeAndre, just have a seat, sweetheart. I'm glad that you're able to work ahead. Just wait, my love. 64, 74, 84. Jordan? Jordan, honey, what is it? Oh, you were counting. Sorry, go ahead and count on your paper. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Go ahead. $94. Good girl. All right. What would rhyme next? 4 done, 6 to go. We're almost halfway done. I can count by tens like bees in a hive. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 5. Say 5, hive. All right, my love's right, 5. Oh, make sure you say it. Honey, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you say excuse me. Oh, boy. What comes after 5, my loves? If I start at 5, what comes next? Prince, what am I going to write after 5? I move my finger down to number, no, not 55. 15. 15. I need a 1 and a 5. Good, Caleb. Good, Samir. 5, 15. What would come next? Jordan. 25. You got it. 5, 15, 25, Adelia. 25, 35. You guys rock at counting by tens. So this one is super easy for you. You guys are rocking this paper. I'm really proud of you. Boys and girls at home, I hope you're doing well too. I see all of you are on. Chelsea, Karina, Bridget, and Mitchell, you're doing great. All right, my loves, stay with me. Start at 5. Ready, set, go. 5. Wait, hold on. I only hear 2 people. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. 5, 15, 25, 35. What would come next? Okay, Jaden, you can't blurt because when you shout out, somebody else shouts out. What would come next? 35. Ryan. Yes. 45. A 4 and a 5 makes 45. Jaden, what would come after 45? 35, 45, 55. A 5 and a 5. $45, 55. What would come next, Jair? 45, 55. What, honey? 65. Awesome. What would come next? 45, 55, 65. DeAndre. 55, 65. 75. Good job, sweetheart. 75. Honey, you need to turn that around, please. Did you have him sit that way on purpose?
I did not.
Okay.
I didn't. Sorry.
No, that's okay. I just didn't know if that was a trick or a...
It wasn't.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. My loves, what would come next? 55, 65, 75. Samir, what would come next? 65, 75.
85.
You got it, sweetheart. 85. Good job, Samir. What would come after 85, Kylan? 75, 85. Yes. You guys are doing great. I'm really proud of you guys. All right, I'm going to fold this in half in just a second so that you guys can see here at school. I'm going to bump this up. But what would come next? Raise your hand. Don't blurt. I can count by tens without any tricks. I can count by tens, and I'll start with what rhymes with that. Mason. 6. My loves, you need to write 6. I'm going to fold this up so the kids here at school can see, boys and girls at home. What would come next after 6? You guys are almost done, and the last row is the easiest of all. What would come next after 6? 6, I move my finger down to what, Jaden? 16. You got it, my loves. Write a 16. What do you need, sweetie? Write your 16. 6, 16. What would come next? Raise your hand. 6, 16. London, what would come next? A 2 and a 6 makes 26. You got it, babe. Good job, sweetheart. All right, keep going with me. Count with me, my loves. Everybody's counting. Ready, set, go. 6, 16, 26. What would come next? What would come after 26? 6, 16, 26. Tamia? 36. Good girl.
I'm not even ready yet.
It's okay, sweetheart. You will catch right up because you're a smart little guy. All right, Samir. So you're just going to write 26, Samir. Right here, babe. All right, my loves, what would come next? 6, 16, 26, 36, Jordan. 46, good girl. You were so ready. What comes after 46? Jair, 26, 36, 46. What, honey? I'm sorry. 56, yep. A 5 and a 6 makes 56. What would come after 56? DeAndre, what would come next? 36, 46, 56, 66. Yep, a 6 and a 6 makes 66. What comes after 66? Isaiah, 56, 66, 76. Yes. Really, really great. You guys are doing really great. London and DeAndre, just wait. I know you're ahead, but just wait, my loves, okay? 66, 76. Kylan, what would come next, babe? 76. You're right, sweetheart. Yep, 86. Good girl. An 8 and a 6 makes 86. And what would go next? 86. What would go next? Who have I not heard from? Adelia heard. After 86. Where are we going to start next? What number are we going to start with next? 7. I can count by tens going up to heaven. I can count by 10. I'll start with 7 and heaven runs. 7. Nazir, good job. You work so hard, buddy. I'm proud of you, Nazir. What comes next? 7, Prince. 17. You got it, my love. Andre, what would come after 17? Nope, switch them. 20. Jaden, leave it flat on the table, babe. 17. 27. 7, 17, 27, 37. Good job, Jordan. Come on, sweetheart. That's 37. Here. Don't work too far ahead, because if you make a mistake, then you've got to catch up. Right? A 3 there. What comes after 37? 7, 17, 27, 37, Tamia. 47. London, what would come next, sweet girl? 27, 37, 47. 27, 37, 47. 57. Good girl. A 5 and a 7 makes 57. You guys are working hard. What would come after 7? 47, 56, 67, Zaya. Good girl. A 6 and a 7. 67. Kylan, what comes after 67? 77. All right, London and Dandre, have a seat, my sweets. Jaden, I need you just to leave it on the table, honey. What would come after 77, Nazir? 67, 77. You got it, babe. An 8 and a 7 makes 87. Okay. Leave it on your table, sweetheart. I know you. Okay, honey? Don't talk to your friends around you. Just, I know you all hard to get all done. What comes after it? Caleb, 87. 87. I can count by tens because in math, I can count by tens, and I'll start with what 5K? 8. Hey, my love. Later. What would come next after 8? If I'm at 8 and I move my pencil down, what number am I at now? 8. I move my pencil. 18. My love's right. 18. Gotta make an 8, my sweet. Samir, make it. What you see on the side in just a second, honey. I'm glad that was job, honey. Adelia, what would go after 28? 18, 20, honey. 38. Yep. A 3 and an 8 makes 38. Jair, honey. 28. 28. 38. You guys are rocking these tens. Good job. I am proud of you. What comes after 48? Prince, 38, 48, 58. 5 and 50. Tamia, honey. What comes after 58? Jair, 48, 58. Not 78, not yet. 58, 68. You got it, sweetie. Tamia, what comes after 68? What, honey? 58, 68, 78. A 7 and an 8 makes 78. Ryan, what would come next? 68, 78. Not 98, not yet. Okay. 58, 68, 78. What, honey? 88. Yep. And 8 and Kylan, what would come after 88? 78, 88, 98. Hey, my love, say 2 left. And the last row is the easiest. This one at the bottom is the easiest. What are we going to start with next? Kylan, what are we going to start with next, babe? 9. I can tens. Yes, I know I'm divine. I can count by tens, and I start with 9. You got it. Yes, I know. I'm just reading what the paper says. I know I'm not really divine. I'm just saying what the paper says. 9. What would come next, my sweets? We're almost done. You guys are working really hard, and I'm really proud of you. This is a lot of writing, and you guys are doing great. 9. What would come next? Jaden. 19. Aaron Jordan, you need to work hard to keep it together, my sweets. 9, 19. What would come next? Prince, help me out. 9, 19, 29. A 2 and a 9 makes 29. Adelia, maybe don't work ahead, sweetheart. 9, 19, 29. Jaden? No. 29, 39. A 3 and a 9. I'm sorry, no, you can't see. 39. What, sweetheart? You're doing great. Now you just have to write your 39. We're almost done, my love. Then we get to go play because you're working hard, okay? Can you write your 39 for me? So, Jaden, put that away, honey. I know you are done, but then you need to be patient, and you still need to follow along. 29, 39, Mason, then comes 49. 5K, please write 49. A 4 and a 9 makes 49. $39, $49. What would come next, DeAndre? $39, $49, $59. A 5 and a 9 makes $59. What would come after 59? 49, 59, London. 49, 59, 69. A 6 and a 9 makes 69. What would come after 69, Zaya? 59, 69, 79. Good girl. Almost. 69, 79, Prince. Yeah, the year I was born. What a great year. 89. Now you all know how old I am at home, parents, grandparents. Here, sweetie. 6 goes here, sweetheart. Here. Write a 6 right there. Yep. And then you're 79. Yeah. And then you're 89. And you're all caught up. What would come after 89? DeAndre, look up here. What would come next, Mason? 69, 79, 89, 99. All right, Kylan, Jaden, Jair, look up here. What are we going to do last? What goes last, Jordan? 10. I can count by tens, dear gentlemen. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 10. Huh. We do this every day at math meeting. What would come after 10? 10, Jordan. 20. Hold on. Some children need to take time to write. 10, 20, Jaden. 30. 10, 20, 30, Tamia. 40. 10, DeAndre. 20, 30, 40, 50. Told you the last one was the easiest because we know how to do this. All right, Kylan, I'm asking you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Adelia, 50, 60, 70. Jair, I'm asking you. 50, 60, 70, 80. Nazir, you're doing great. Adelia, I'm asking you. 60, 70, 80, 90. 5K, I'm asking all of you. Ready? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Nice. 100. How many zeros do I need? 2. My loves, if you worked hard, say, phew. Yes, I did. You did. My loves, it's not even time for playtime yet. We got done early. You worked very hard. So, my sweets, please quietly put your pencil boxes away. You guys did great. I marked you all present for school. I'll see you, Chelsea and Mick and Chelsea and Bridget, I'll see you on Tuesday for school. Mitchell and Karina, I'll see you on Monday for packet pickup. Bye, my love.